Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about functions in C. Topics going to be discussed: what is C function, types of C function, uses of C function, advantages of C function declaration, function call and definition. Simple example program for C function. So this will be continued by my friend Vinita.
Now I am going to discuss about what is C function. A function is a group of statements that together perform a task. A large C program is divided into basic building blocks called C function. C function consists set of instructions enclosed by curly braces which perform specific operation in C program. Actually, collection of these functions creates a C program. So, functions are common across programming languages for a couple of reasons. These will be continued. Types of C function. User defined functions. C allows programmers to define functions. Such functions created by the users are called user defined functions. Depending upon the complexity and requirements of the program, you can create as many as user defined functions as you want. Example: main function. Library functions. Library functions in C language are inbuilt functions which are grouped together and placed in a common place called library. The standard library functions are built in functions in C programming to handle tasks such as mathematical computation, input output.
I am discussing about uses of function. C functions are used to avoid rewriting the same logic or code again and again in a program. There is no limit in calling the C functions to make use of same functionality whenever required. We can call function any number of times in a program and from any place in a program. A large program can be easily tracked. The core function of C function is reusability, dividing a large task into small and advantages of C function. It is much easier to write program where a large program can be divided into simple and similar tasks, allowing the code to be called many times, easier to read and update. It is easier to debug a structured program where the error is easy to be find and fix. Now this will be continued by Satvika.
Yeah, now we are going to discuss about syntax of functions in C. The syntax of function can be divided into three types: function declaration, function definition, function calls. Function declaration. Syntax for function declaration is to take return type and name of the function, and we can give a parameters. For example, we can take int sum, in which we can give two int functions. But the exception is a function in C must always be declared globally before calling it. Now, function definition. The function definition consists of actual statements which are executed when the function is called. The syntax of it is a return type and a function name and a parameter type, and then we have to give parameter name. As usual, the body of the function and its structure: int, we have to give a heading to it, and statement and return 0, which is closed by closure parenthesis. Now moving on to call a function. Declared functions are not executed immediately. Firstly, they are saved for later use and then it will be executed. To a call function, we should write a function name which will be followed by two parentheses. For example, here we take function and then we saved it and we use it for later use. As we can see, firstly we declared our function and then we saved it, and after that we used it for our later use. As usual, we took a header file and we entered it and then we call the function. You can see in output. Thank you everyone.